My name is Silvester. Let's go back to the matter of the day on a Sunday like this one. Mr. Jonas, you are well known for removing a scarf of an interviewee on a television platform. And the person that you removed his scarf is a Zanu PF member, so to speak. Before we go to this scarf issue, as we deliberate on several issues in this program, may you start by introducing yourself to our viewers who have never met you before?
Okay. Yeah, my name is Tinashe Jonasi. I'm coming from Muperi village under Chief Shindi, Chivi South. Our former MP was Comrade Kila Zivu. That's my area. From Masingo, I am Mofu Yomkono, and I'm the leader of a Zimbabwean opposition party called I Do Zimbabwe, and I'm currently based in South Africa.
And can you tell us briefly, what do you mean by I Do Zimbabwe?
And I Do Zimbabwe, it's a Zimbabwe that people, they don't have binary thinking. Number one, thinking that is politics, it's Zanu PF and MDC. Number two, it's a Zimbabwe that is devoid of political polarization. Because currently we are pushing personal interests or agenda. Secondly, party interest or party agenda. And I Do Zimbabwe, it's a Zimbabwe that we are pushing national interests. Where we know that our differences in political ideology, formations, doesn't make us enemies. We are serving one country called Zimbabwe. If I want Mr. And then in I Do Zimbabwe, it's a Zimbabwe that we don't fight for political power, but we are fighting for livelihoods, for a better life, for me, for everyone. And if there's elections and I'm defeated, I should be a gentleman and congratulate the winner. So that one day, if I win, the incumbent must also congratulate me. So currently, we don't have an I Do Zimbabwe, because when someone is not, if I'm a member of I Do Zimbabwe, someone from another party is my enemy. Nation building requires unity of purpose. We are created to be different, but our difference must be our reason for convergence.
Thank you so much. I like it when you say we are created to be different. And if you accept divergent views from other Zimbabweans, why did you remove a scarf of another participant on a television platform who was airing his own views and his political party's views?
Okay. I say I mean, time maturity normally depends on time. When I was starting politics, I was so angry. Let me say with Zanu PF, to the point that I was even I was ready for a physical fight. I was ready for fight. Even if I had guns, I would want even war with the Zanu PF people. Anyone. I can call it radicalization. When you think your ideas matter, everyone else is struggling, is a fool, or is evil. Sometimes you can be so self-centered to the point that you forget that the world has got people who can also, and we are interdependent. So to me, Zanu PF were enemies, and every problem, every pain was Zanu PF, and I wanted them to go or to die or anything. So I mean, you reach a point that you sit down and say, let's say Zanu PF are going to be out of power in 20 years. Does that mean this 20 years before they're out of power, everything in Zimbabwe must go bad? What if I'm going to die before Zanu PF is out of power? What is my purpose as a Zimbabwean? I realize that my purpose as a citizen of Zimbabwe, change in Zimbabwe is going to start with myself. I must change my mindset. Zimbabwe is suffering because of mindsets. Our problem is not lack of resources, is not lack of intelligence or wisdom. Our problem is the mindset. We think of ourselves, and we judge one another harshly, So I realized that no, I need to start to be tolerant of everyone who is not Tinashe. Even my mother, my sister, my brother. I need to be someone who add value in my family, because a nation is built by individuals, secondly by family, and then in villages or communities. So I should change I should remove the hate in me, and because Zanu PF people are a mirror of the society. These are people who are coming from my village. These are people coming from my district, my province, my country. They are not coming from the moon and then they become Zanu PF. And someone who is Zanu PF today, tomorrow can wake up being a member of my party. Someone who I love in my party today, tomorrow can leave my party and join Zanu PF. So the Zanu PF to me is now it's a logo. It's not a party. It's a logo. Members they are in motion. They can move. They can change base. Zanu PF, MDC, Zanu PF. So you can't then say you hate people in Zanu PF, because what if I hate them now and tomorrow 10% of them come to join my party? Am I going to refuse them to join my party because I hate them? So I realized that national interest means we need to be united. If we want a good country, regardless of who is a president, in our country, a president is a famous person. Why?
Okay.
Because we believe that everything starts with the president and ends with the president. Yet, we need participative democracy. Every Zimbabwean have got a part to play.